Now we'll go for our next part, that is I want to take the practice set number 40. Before I have to start that one, I will show you one solved example. See, in your textbook they are given total interest formula I is equal to PTR upon 100, and they are given P for principal, T for time, and R for rate of interest. Here I am taking one example about the solved example. See here, Sandeep Bhau borrowed 12 that is 1,20,000 rupees from a bank for a 4 year at the rate of interest 8.5 PCPA for his son education. What is the total amount he returned to the bank at the end of the period? See here, in the bank you can keep a money, that time bank will give interest, but from the bank, if you want money from bank, that time the bank will give loan, and on that loan they will take a interest. See, you can keep a money in that bank, that is how much money you are keeping, that is your principal. But when you are taking money from the bank for your need, that time that is also one of the principal is there, and for that one from your side you want to give the interest. Okay, then this Sandeep Bhau, he's borrowed 1,20,000 rupees as a education loan, and their rate of interest they are given, that is 8.5 PCPA is there for every year. 8.5% means half means what, that is a 0.5% will be there. Then here see, principal 1,20,000 is there, rate of interest 8.5 means 8.5 you have to write, and T means for 4 year, and use the formula I is equal to PRT upon 100. This is a here I am keeping the value 1,20,000 8.5 multiply by 4 upon 100. Then here 0 will be cancelled. Now here we'll get here, that is when you do the calculation, we'll get near about 40,800 rupees. That is the total interest that Sandeep Bhau pay to the bank. That is the interest from the Sandeep Bhau side, because bank will give 1,20,000. On that one they have to pay 40,800 as an extra after completion the 4 years. Okay, then see, this is the interest that Sandeep Bhau will pay for a bank, and see here total amount how you can calculate, means after 4 year that Sandeep Bhau will total amount they will give how much, that is 1,20,000 plus 40,800, you have to add it, and they have to pay total 1,60,800 rupees they have to pay. Then this way you have to solve the that is a total interest you want to find, and a total amount you want to find out. Then how to solve the set number 40, I will show you one more examples how to solve this one. See here, I not written here question, but here see, first question they are given, if Rihan deposit 1,500 rupees in the school fund at a 9 PCPA for 2 year, then what is the total amount she will get? See here, I not written the question, but here you in your CW book from your textbook you see the question and write it. I directly started the answer here. Principal is here 1,500 is there, time period is a 2 year, and the rate of interest is a 9%. Then using I is equal to PRT upon 100, put the values, and here see 1,500 and this 100 20 will get cancelled, and 15 into 2 into 9, that will get a 270 rupees as a interest. And I want to find out the amount. A is equal to P plus I, means principal plus rate of interest you have to do it, will get us 1,770, means that Rihan will get that total amount she will get 1,770. Okay, then this is about the first example, and second example they are given, that will see the Jetalal took the housing loan for 2,50,000 rupees from the bank. Means see, Jetalal took the loan, that is means here they want to pay 10% rate of interest for a 5 year. Then they ask here what is the yearly interest he must pay and total amount he returned to the bank. Then how to solve this example? See here, I started directly the solution. You write first given, that is principal, rate of interest and time, and here total interest for year. How you can find? I is equal to PRT upon 100, and if you do the calculation here, then we'll get here 1,25,000 rupees is for total interest for 5 year is there. Okay, this he taken the 2,50,000 as a loan from the bank, and after 5 year that interest on that one how much they want to pay, that is 1,25,000 is there. This will be low interest for 5 year is there. Okay, they here they ask here yearly interest. Then yearly interest how you can find? This 1,25,000 you divide by 5, and will get a yearly interest on a 2,50,000 will come 25,000 will be there. And here see total amount after 5 year how much he will give to bank, that you can find out. P plus I, you want to add this 2,50,000 plus 1,25,000 will get a 3,75,000. He want means they will be give it to the bank, means he must pay 25,000 as a yearly interest, and total amount he will return to the bank will be 3,75,000 because he taken the loan. See, I already explained, when you are taking the some amount from the bank, that time you have to pay some interest, and when you are keeping some money in the bank, that time bank will give some interest. Then this type of transaction will occur in the bank. Now here one more example I will show you, that is the third one is there. Srikanth deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at a 7 PCPA and in a saving bank account. Then what is the total interest be received at the end of period? Then how to solve? Here see, principal is 85,000, rate of interest is 7% is there, and total period is 2.5 years. 2.5 years means that is 2.5 year will be there. Then here I is equal to PRT upon 100. Use this formula and substitute all the values, and when you do the calculation, we'll get a 14,875. That is the interest will get it from the bank. Okay, then here total amount if they ask, then you can use the formula A is equal to P plus I, but here only they ask here how much interest you will receive at the end of the period. Then this way you can solve the fourth one example also, and you can solve our fifth one example also. Then in the both the all these example, first you want to write the given things, then afterward you have to use the formula I is equal to PR2 upon 100, and all values you keep it properly and do it calculation, and afterwards if they ask here amount, then amount formula you have to use A is equal to P plus I. Then this way you have to complete the set number 40, and see, you write all these things in your CW book in proper way, and next time we'll see the next part.